आप ज़रा बात कर लेते हैं वो जो शिफा का एक मसला था कि जी चीज़ें किस्तों पे खरीदनी होती हैं। आमतौर पर ये गरीबों का मसला होता है, लेकिन शिफा ने इस मसले को अपना मसला बना लेके
आम आदमी का मसला बना दिया मैंने।
आम आदमी के साथ आपने जो इत्तेहाद का सबूत दिया है ना, ये मुझे पसंद आई बात। तो हमने बात करनी है कि जब आप कोई चीज़ खरीदने जाते हैं तो हम चाहते हैं कि ये चीज़ हमें आसानी से मिल जाए, हमें कम कीमत देनी पड़े और इंस्टॉलमेंट्स पर मिल जाए, तो फिर तो क्या ही बात है,
और महीने का बजट आउट ना हो।
बिल्कुल। तो ये एक वेंचर है, एक ऐप है जो कि आई है मार्केट में, और इस ऐप ने आते ही ज़रा लोगों को हिला दिया है। इसका नाम है किस्त पे। और किस्त पे में करना क्या है, ये हम आपको समझाएंगे। कैसे आप इंस्टॉलमेंट्स पर चीजें खरीद सकते हैं, जिंदगी आसान बना सकते हैं।
और ये वो इंस्टॉलमेंट्स होंगी जिसके जो आप गाड़ी शाड़ी नहीं, आम छोटी मोटी चीजें
बिल्कुल
किस्तों पे लें।
तो जो चीज़ आप चाहें किस्तों पर लेना, उसके लिए किस्त पे की ऐप है, वो आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। हमारे साथ मौजूद है जॉर्डन ओलिवर्स, जो कि सीईओ हैं और फाउंडर हैं इस कंपनी के किस्त पे के। और जॉर्डन जो हैं वो अमेरिका से यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं, और जैसे वो खान साहब ने कहा था ना, लोग आ रहे होंगे यहाँ पर, तो मुझे लगता है ये इस चक्कर में आ गए हैं और इन्होंने ये किस्त पे वाला वेंचर लॉन्च कर दिया है। तो जॉर्डन से आपकी मुलाकात करवाते हैं और किस्त पे से आपकी मुलाकात करवाते हैं। हेलो जॉर्डन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Hey, how's it going? Thanks for having me on the show.
Good. What about you? How is Pakistan treating you?
Love Pakistan. Love Pakistan. More Americans need to come here.
They should.
great.
They
Yeah,
should. So you
yeah,
can
it's
become an
great.
ambassador.
Yeah, that's the future goal after this company,
Exactly.
right? Yeah.
So what is Kist Pay?
Yeah, so look, KissPay is Pakistan's first and largest buy now pay later platform. And what that means is that we allow consumers to pay in installments over time with no interest and no markup.
No interest, no markup.
No interest, no markup.
Buy now, pay
Amazing.
later.
Buy now, pay later. Huge phenomenon globally. We've seen it in Europe. We've seen it in the US. Me personally, I come from a company called Klarna, which is the largest buy now, pay later company globally. Worth roughly $45 billion. And they essentially, these pioneers, if you look at Afterpay and other companies like that globally, even companies like Splitit, what they do is they have changed the way consumers shop and spend with retailers. You know, when you look at what's happening as a retailer, discounts are dead, right? I mean, I go into every website here, or when I was at Centura Mall, you know, where I have an apartment at, and 50% discount, 25% discount. Like, it doesn't attract consumers anymore. And the problem is,
It's become too much now.
Exactly, it's white noise. White noise, right?
Okay.
So what this does is allow retailers to give them something to get excited about and help them excite their consumers without just saying, you know, like I was saying earlier before the show, right? Here's this mug for 100,000 rupees. I'm going to give you 99% off for 1,000.
Yeah,
it's a great deal.
Sense,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. You know, but for the consumer side, right? It allows them to manage their cash more effectively. So what we do is we allow consumers to pay in 4 monthly installments.
Okay. So anything you buy, you can pay in 4 monthly installments.
As long as the retailer is working with us, we approve them.
So what
anything
kind
on
of
the site.
products can I buy from this app?
Absolutely. So consumers can either download our app on the Google Play or Apple Store, or they can go directly to a retailer's website or in store. So, for example, next month we are launching Costs as well as Uniworth. So you'll be able to go to any of these locations online, in store.
And buy clothes on installments.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. And minimum 1,500 rupees. So small average ticket, right? People can use their debit card. They can use their credit card. They can use, actually starting later this quarter, we will be launching installments via wallets.
Okay.
Which is really exciting.
And how much should be the total bill to qualify for Kist Pay?
Anywhere from 1,500 rupees to 35,000 rupees for first-time consumers.
Okay.
Right, so minimum 1,500 up to 35,000. As consumers start to spend more with us, we can go all the way up to 500,000 rupees, so 500,000 rupees.
So the range increases as the spending increases, as you use the app.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's a way for consumers to.
And what if
you know,
somebody, the first timer, wants to buy a mobile phone or something which is between 200 and 50,000?
Here comes a personal issue.
Yeah.
I am asking for a friend.
We are actually, so we're doing a big brand reveal event tomorrow in Serena. You know, invite only. We have you know, some celebrities coming, maybe some government officials, some high-end, you know, C-level executives coming, and we are announcing.
And what's the highlight of that event?
The highlight of the event is, you know, I think we are fully kind of coming out to the Pakistani market.
Okay.
You're saying, hey, look, next month is when we're really starting to launch, and I think we have a new product that's coming out that will excite consumers, which should solve your use case.
So the first timer can also buy something which is very expensive in installments.
Okay.
Exactly.
Now, one tricky question. Whenever you buy something on installments from a bank or through maybe a different kind of a financial institution, there is a legal documentation kind of a thing involved. You have to sign documents, background checks. How do you deal with that?
That's an awesome question. That's what makes us so unique, is that we don't collect CNIC. Okay. We don't ask for bank statements. It's all instantaneous decisioning, which means the consumer comes in, They put in basic information, right? Email, phone number,
Right.
Simple information, and we make an instant decision right there. We have a proprietary algorithm that we've developed in-house that we use to score consumers on whether or not they're likely to repay. Now, this doesn't mean just because you come in and apply, we're not going to instantly approve everyone, right?
But then how are you going to get hold of somebody who is defaulting on a payment?
Yeah, but once again, we're not providing credit, right? We're providing cash management. We're providing a way for consumers to pay over time. So we are not going to go knocking on someone's door and be like, hey, we're going to claw back this shirt from you, right? What we're trying to do is help consumers understand how they could manage their money a bit better. So we have a good-sized team of customer service agents where a consumer can call in and say, look, I'm sorry, but I can't make this installment. We can actually help them defer that installment.
All right, okay.
Because at the end of the day, we are a consumer brand, right? We want them to feel comfortable that, we're not going to be charging them some sort of absorbent, late fees that's, 100% of the cost of the original installment, right?
Do you think this Pakistani market is lucrative for this idea? People would come forward and spend?
I think they would. Because I think one of the biggest difference between Pakistan and maybe the U.S., Europe, I've worked in multiple markets, is that there isn't a wide acceptance of credit cards, right? That doesn't even debit cards are still fairly small penetration, followed by wallets. So there's this large unbanked and underbanked population that are slowly starting to become banked through some of the new banks that are starting to come out into the marketplace. And as we start to see these consumers transition to debit cards and start to transition to wallets, what we're going to start to see is consumers going to say, okay, I can spend how I normally spend, but what else is there, right? And so I think as a consumer myself who use these services globally, I can go out and say, look, yes, I can pay for this all in cash, but as an example, right, we don't want people buying more than they can afford. That is the number one thing we want to get there, right? We are not about creating these situations. Look, from a selfish perspective, it's more advantageous if a consumer comes back to us time and time again than it is if we get into some sort of crazy loophole to where they can't get out of, right? It doesn't make good sense business-wise. And so what we want to focus on is really that consumer experience, and that's what we're focused on.
So this service is now available in all cities of Pakistan?
Yeah, we are completely agnostic. We are in Faisalabad, Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad.
Anyone living anywhere?
Anywhere, as long as they're in Pakistan. We are a Pakistan-first company. So
and as long as they are connected to the company that is connected with you.
Exactly.
How many retailers have you on board now?
So we are over 100 retailers that have signed with us. So a lot of them are working on integrating for our launch next month. We have a few stores live.
What is the diversity of products?
Great question. We have literally everything from groceries to...
Groceries on installments.
Groceries on installments.
Okay.
Yeah.
So eat now, pay later.
Exactly.
Cook now, pay later.
I don't know what the default rate's going to be on something like that, but our value proposition to the consumers is really, we're trying to help the Pakistani consumer. And look, I can't act on everyone's goodwill, but I'm hoping eventually they're going to come out and say, look, I want to pay Kiss Pay back.
All right.
Because they're providing us a good service and they're trying to do right. Because we're a Pakistani first, I'm American, right? But we're a Pakistani first company.
Okay,
right?
So groceries.
So groceries is
groceries, electronics.
Okay, electronics.
We have Xiaomi as an example, who we sell through one of their distribution partners. We sell through them. We do clothing, accessories, cosmetics.
Laptops, electronics include laptops, TVs, or.
Yeah, I mean, as long as the ticket size is small enough and they fit within that range, we can.
And the range is 35,000.
Up to 35,000.
From 1,500 to 35,000.
Correct. And as they start to spend more, then we can allow them more. And for example, we do have one retailer we've actually upped that amount because their ticket size is a little bit higher, up to 50,000, right? So, but I think once we launch our new product, it's going to open it up, right? Up to $500,000 rupees for first-time consumers, which is really exciting.
Perfect, great. So
everything from clothing, groceries, electronics,
anything.
Buy now, pay later.
सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये सोचें कि आपने क्या खरीदना है. That's it.
I am thinking of what to buy now.
Exactly. आप लोग भी सोच सकते हैं कि आप लोगों ने क्या खरीदना है, नई-नई चीजें आप लोग वो खरीदें और किस्त पे जो है उसके लिए इस्तेमाल करें. Final message.
But the app basically. So if for example I have ordered this cup at the till of that store and I am telling them that I'll buy this now and I'll pay later. So will they allow me to take the mug with me?
Yes. So this is a beautiful thing. So
or can I place the order online through app as well?
Yes. So so let's say you order. Let's talk through two use cases. The first one is online.
Okay.
Same thing as at the point of checkout. Instead of selecting cash on delivery, Select KissPay.
Okay.
Simple as that. Enter
Buy
your
online.
information. Done. Easy.
Okay, if they are connected to you, if
Exactly.
they are on your approved brand retailers list.
And that's quickly expanding. We expect to be over 1,000 retailers by the end of the year.
Great.
So I mean, virtually anywhere that you want to shop, you should be set to go. And then in store, you walk in store, you say, I want to shop with KissPay. They'll send you a link to your phone, complete it on your phone, done.
That's it.
Simple.
Simple.
Simple. And especially for returning users, all we ask is so something that's really unique about us is we don't use passwords.
Okay, but how is the security managed then?
One-time password, one-time pins through the phone.
Okay.
Right. So this
The
is
phone
brand new
number.
to Pakistan. It hasn't been done. It's done in other markets.
Because people are worried about credit card information being stored in apps, and then the apps get hacked, and the data gets leaked. So it's all taken care of.
It's all secure because we have other security measures behind the scenes. That even through the one-time password, we can tell with a fairly good degree of certainty that it's not a stolen phone, right? And so one of the things that we actually had a review on our app that said, oh, this is a scam because they don't ask for passwords. And I'm like, that's the whole point. You don't have to remember a password, right? And so
it becomes difficult to remember so many passwords.
It does, and that's we're constantly trying to innovate, right? We're trying to constantly push the boundaries and put something that hasn't been done. Buy now, pay later has never been done in Pakistan. Passwordless applications have not been done in Pakistan. Debit card installments especially have never been done in Pakistan.
Okay.
And these are things that we're trying to bring. I mean, look, cash on delivery cash is king in Pakistan.
Yes.
But it's boring.
It is.
I mean, but in all fairness, like the cash on delivery companies are doing an amazing job. What they do is not easy. It's not a realm that I want to get into because it's extremely difficult to pull off, and they've been extremely successful at it.
So a final question from my side. In how many countries is this company operating now? Is Pakistan the first one, or it's coming from some other place?
Great question. So buy now, pay later is many other markets. KissPay itself.
But KissPay, yes.
Only Pakistan.
Okay.
We maybe in the future we'll expand out.
Are you a risk taker?
Very much so. I would.
Or do you believe in Pakistani economy
I think
getting better in the coming years?
Pakistan is the #1 investment market in the world, and I truly believe that.
At the moment?
At the moment, and for the next several years. I think anyone who does not invest in this country right now is going to
regret.
out. I want people to say in 2 years, right, when we're a global company, oh, KissPay, oh, you mean that Pakistani company with thousands of employees. So no matter what we do, the majority of our employees will be based in Pakistan. I've made a commitment. By the end of this year, we will hire 100 Pakistani employees.
That is great.
And that is what we're already at 30 or 40 now. And we're very quickly on our way up there.
Keep expanding, and आप लोग भी जो हैं वो बड़े मजे से किस्त पे पर जो है वो चीजें शॉपिंग करें और सुकून से जी एंजॉय करें जिंदगी.
Bread double roti
Thank you,
भी खरीदनी हो
Jordan.
किस्त पे
Thanks a lot.
खरीदे.
Thank you.
So nice to
Appreciate
meet
it.
you.